Hi, today I'm making fresh strawberry pie. It's getting close to Valentine's Day. This is a perfect sweet dessert that can be made ahead of time and then served after your Valentine's Day dinner. You'll use these simple ingredients to make this very sweet and light pie. So you'll begin with a regular 9-inch pie crust. Or you can make your pie crust from scratch. It's up to you. You'll use the 3-ounce strawberry gelatin. There'll be 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, as well as 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. You will also have I have 1 basket here. I don't even know how much this is of organic strawberries. You can use 2 and make it a really nice big strawberry pie. It's up to you. You want to let your pie crust thaw out because it's typically frozen. And once it's, unfrozen, you want to go ahead and prick the bottom of the pie pans like you see here. And I have 2 because I'm making 2 different pies, but the strawberry pie, you definitely want to make sure that the crust, we're going to cook that first for about 10 minutes on 350 degrees. You just want it to be lightly brown, but you definitely want it to be cooked. Next, you're going to wash your organic strawberries or your strawberries, and you're going to slice them in nice sizes. Some people keep them whole, some people put them in halves. It's entirely up to you. You see what I've done here. And then you're going to layer the strawberries into a cooled crust. And so you're going to just arrange those and set those aside. And next, what you're going to do is you're going to take the 3/4 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water, as well as 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And you're going to cook that in a small stock pot. Okay, and it's going to begin to bubble like this, and you just want to mix all of those ingredients well. As soon as everything is mixed, you're going to add the 3 ounces of gelatin to the mixture that's in the stock pot. And once it's all combined, it'll look like this. Okay, and next what you're going to do is you're going to take that sauce and literally pour it over the fresh strawberries. Okay. And so the reason why you can have plenty of strawberries here, because this is going to be a cold pie, and it's going to go in the refrigerator for about 3.5, 4 hours. So this is a make-ahead dish. Once it's done, you can top it with whipped cream. You can make your own whipped cream and actually serve this. It is light, it's delicious, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day.